Shawn here from Shawn Bikes, and today I'm on Tunnel Hill. Big surprise. But mainly I'm here because I want to see what the trail looks like. Had severe weather yesterday, tornado outbreak. Had a few here in southern Illinois, and I believe this area got hit. There's some tree limbs down, little stuff here and there, but I'm wondering if there's any big stuff. And that's kind of what I'm gonna do, ride from Vienna, Illinois to Tunnel Hill, trailhead, Tunnel Hill, Illinois, and just see if there's any damage within my 10-mile route. Then I'll turn around and come back, get my weekly mileage in, even though tomorrow I'll probably ride even longer. Hear that, folks? That's the start of the cicadas. This is the first day I've heard them. We've been watching them in our yard emerging. They're calling it cicada-geddon because you have two broods or something like that. And that's honestly the first time I've started hearing them. So I've seen a few on the trail, try to miss them, but cicadas are out. That's cool. This has a lot of water in it. I don't think I've ever seen it this deep. That's a whole lot of water. It's usually a lot shallower than that. You can see both sides of the creek pretty good. It's usually pretty. That's from all the rain. Wow, that's crazy. When it's really muddy like this here in southern Illinois, that means there's a lot of water. You know, the only time it really gets clear is when it's a little lower or at normal. We have a lot of dirt and stuff like that. That's almost kayakable right there. I mean, it is kayakable, really. Just private. It probably goes into private. There's no water rights, waterway rights, but that's crazy. Had to stop and show that. All right, folks, here's my turnaround point. This gives me 10.2 miles. I like to turn around here. It's a little past Tunnel Hill. That way I get 10 miles out, 10 miles back. So I could tell where the state has come through and their tractor or truck or something to clear debris, I'm sure. But so far, the only real tree damage I've seen is like a little past Tunnel Hill this way, a little bit up here, and that's like the only damage I've seen. Besides, you know, limbs, little twig type sticks and stuff. There's one of the cicadas. They're kind of cute. Climbing up. Ride back. Bluffage. Trail looks good. Either DNR cleaned it up really nicely, which they're good at doing, or this area didn't get hit like other areas. I have a feeling going towards Stone Fort, New Burnside, stuff like that, I have a feeling it got hit more. I'm probably gonna ride that way tomorrow. I'm thinking about doing 50 or 60 miles on the trail tomorrow, so might be able to see if that's the case, which 60 miles would be great. I'd get over 100 for this week, and pretty nice. But yeah, we'll see. But that's what I'd like to do. Then again, it may have dried up enough today, and if I wait a little bit tomorrow, I might just go to Lake Glendale and spend the day out there mountain biking, because I like doing that too. So we'll see. But I'm definitely enjoying kind of getting back in the groove of cycling. Like I still biked. I've still been biking every year since, you know, I started in 2012. But I just gradually slowed down. And then this year was really the first year I started riding, you know, when it's cold. Got cold gear, thermal tights, stuff like that. I'm actually comfortable riding in the cold, so that's a big plus. And yeah, so I'm getting more into cycling. That's a good thing. That creek is full.